Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
Now, first off, this thing is huge. You're looking at about 11 inches. Yeah, this thing's about 11 inches tall. And about 21 inches wide. So that is very, very big. They said it was extra wide, but that is kind of huge because it's sitting next to the microwave. And let's see how big the microwave is. So that's like 12 inches by about 21. So actually they're about the same. So yeah, they just, the microwave looks like it sits a little lower, whereas the toaster oven has feet on it, and it makes it sit a little higher. I don't know. They're approximately the same though. But anyway, I know nothing about convection ovens. I had an old toaster oven. And so this will be my first convection oven because I was trying to figure out the difference between this and those hot air fryers. And so I think I'm going to go with this first. I know that the hot air fryer, those things are popular and they do you probably cook a little faster. And like I said, I've never had one of those either, but this is about the convection oven. So basically, let's look at this hardware kit and see what we have. So it looks like we have a recipe book, your instruction manual, you have your rack right here, and I'm guessing, I'm not sure, but this looks like maybe a crumb tray. So let's try to put this stuff together inside the oven. So it seems like we're pretty much correct about our accessories. We have our crumb tray, which will go at the bottom. We're gonna put all this stuff in. We have our baking pan right here, and finally our rack. So let's get this stuff in. Okay, our tray's going to go at the bottom here. We have our rack. And our baking pan. Thanks for joining me on the unboxing and setup of the Black & Decker convection oven.
Hey!
Baby, what's happening?
Man. I don't think I know nothing.
Lay back, baby. I'll catch you later.